What's the meaning of continuing education? Continuing education. Continuing education.
Continuing education. Continuing education. Continuing education refers to the ongoing process of learning and skill development that occurs after formal education is complete. It is designed to help individuals maintain and enhance their professional skills and knowledge, and to keep up with new developments in their field. The goal of continuing education is to increase competence, improve job performance, and provide opportunities for personal growth. By participating in continuing education programs, individuals can stay up to date with new trends and technologies, expand their networks, and gain a competitive edge in the job market.